channel. It's your girl Malaysia. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for returning. Make sure that you all hit the subscribe button down below and turn on your post notifications so that you know the next time I post. Now today we're going to be doing my makeup. My makeup collection is very small, however constantly growing. Even though I do not really wear makeup, I just thought it would be cool to show you guys what I do have in case I do ever want to wear something. And if you guys would like to see any makeup videos done by me and watch me fail, then make sure to comment down below. So first of all, I have all of my makeup in this Shea Ambassador box because I am a Shea Ambassador, so that's what I have my makeup in. Alright, so let's just get started. First of all, I have a bunch of makeup palettes. This one is not in a thing. I have the, and they're dirty, I have this chocolate. This is the Revolution Makeup Revolution London Death by Chocolate eyeshadow palette. It contains 16 shimmer and matte shades. Let me just come a little closer so you guys can see them, because I want to show you guys the makeup as well. So this is the makeup. It's cute. As you can see, I haven't really used it a whole bunch, but I don't know, it's cute. I feel like it's cute, right? Next thing I have is the e.l.f. Velvet Touch eyeshadow palette in Cool Mist. I haven't really used this at all. This is what the colors look like. I really feel like this should be cute because I have blue eyes, but I haven't used it. They're just so soft and velvety. I also have the e.l.f. Velvet eyeshadow palette in Island Breeze. This is more of like a pinky corally colors. As you can see, it even still has the brand new thing on it. However, I have like dipped into them. This is cute. I really was looking for a yellow color and I didn't realize I had one. But this is cute. It's really simple, just 6 shades. Just 6 shades. I have the Pro Revolution Makeup Revolution London Pro HD Camouflage Color Correct palette in light medium. First of all, when I bought this, I didn't realize that it was like colors, like that it said light to medium on it. I didn't even pay attention to that, so I haven't really used these, even though I feel like I can get away with light medium. This is the colors. You guys think I can get away with these colors? Okay, you guys can see my setup. Okay, who cares? You're gonna see my setup. You guys think I can get away with these colors? I don't know. I don't know. Like, as you can see, I haven't really used it at all, but I haven't in case I ever want to use it. I paid, it doesn't even say on here, but I'm pretty sure I paid like maybe $7.99 for this. Alright, next up, another Makeup Revolution one. This is the Ultimate Brow Enhancing Kit. I have this kit and I don't use it, just like many of the other kits I have that I don't use. So this is just what the inside looks like. It just has all these colors, and I'm guessing this is like a highlight or something. I'm not really sure. It comes with like a little brush. Like I said, I don't really do my makeup, so my eyebrows are horrible and I don't know how to do them, so I don't really worry about it. This is by far my favorite. Look at this. Like, you just decided to show up. Like, you didn't want to let me shine. This is by far my favorite palette. It is by Wet n Wild. So if you are looking for a good drugstore brand, I would definitely say check out Wet n Wild, because most of my favorite things are from Wet n Wild. This is the, here, let me open her up. I don't even know what this is. This is the Not a Basic Peach Wet n Wild Color Icon palette. Oh, and I just broke it. But this is literally my favorite. I mainly use these 3 orangey colors right here, or like the kind of brown sometimes, but this is my favorite palette ever, like ever. Okay, going on to my second favorite palette, and it is horribly dirty. How? This is the Color Bash Cosmetics. I did get it from Marshall's, TJ Maxx, and it was surprisingly so cheap. It was like $5. This is the Matte and Shimmer eyeshadow palette, and when I tell you that I love this, like, I love this so much. Real dirty. This is the colors. Like, here, let me get close so you guys can see them. I love this. Like, I'm not even lying. I really love this. Current Mood says all over it. If I do wear makeup, you'll normally see me in moods. I may wear some orange or some red in moods. In nudes, I may wear orange or red every once in a while, but you'll mainly see me in nude colors like browns, tans. I just love this palette. And I definitely love me some shimmer. Like, I get down with some shimmer, okay? Next up, I have the It's My Ray Ray palette by BH Cosmetics. We're just gonna open her up. She comes with a lot of stuff. She comes with some highlights and bronzers down here, real cute. I don't really use them too much. And then up here, she comes with the best thing, which is the eyeshadows. I love these eyeshadows. I really use Fairy Tale, Tiffany, Spice, Control Freak, and Pancake are the ones that I use all the time. Like, just look at those colors. I just live. This was $6.99 at TJ Maxx. Like I said, most, if not all, of my makeup is from TJ Maxx. So, what else is out here? We got this small Wet n Wild palette. I have not used this a lot. This is the eyeshadow quad. Just a little nude one. I should carry this in my bag in case I ever need a quick makeup look. That's the idea. I have this e.l.f. Very Dirty e.l.f. foundation palette. I don't use this one either. I think, oh yeah, this is light medium as well, and I don't use it. It's not that I'm against e.l.f. foundation. I just don't feel like this is real for some reason. Like, look. For some reason, I just don't feel like it's real. Okay, you're probably like, bitch, what did you just do? I don't fucking know. I'm sorry. I just cussed. I don't know. I just don't feel like it's real. I have a couple of concealers, main of which are really old. They're pretty much all the same color. Yellow corrector, yellow corrector, yellow corrector, and we have a medium beige. These are all by LA Girl, the Pro Concealers. They're like $1.99, and I love these. I live for these concealers. When they first came out, I was obsessed with them, literally obsessed with them. But as you can see, I pretty much have 3 colors and then like one actual color, which I definitely need to re-up my stash and throw these away because I've had them for too long. Alright, I have a primer. This is the Baby Skin Maybelline New York Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. I'm not too picky about primers. I normally use the e.l.f. Pore Eraser Primer. Pretty much any pore primer is what I use, but this one is really decent. Lots of people really love this so much, but like I said, I'm not too picky about it. Binks, if you mess up this tripod, I swear you're going to make mama mad. She's really over here playing. She's about to make me mad. Okay, I have in here 2 mascaras. This one by Wet n Wild. Like I said, I love Wet n Wild. The only thing with this mascara is that it's purple. This is a Wet n Wild Renegade mascara. Like I said, it's purple. And I didn't know, or should I say the actual color of Avenging Amethyst. I didn't pay attention when I just grabbed it. It was on sale, so I just grabbed it. I didn't pay attention at all that it was gonna be purple until I went to go put it on that morning. This one, you guys can no longer see the name or anything. I believe this is the LA Girl Fiber Lash Mascara. This is my ultimate favorite mascara ever. It's only like $6. I love this mascara to the max, to the major. It's my favorite mascara ever. If I ever have makeup on, most likely it's just mascara and a lip gloss. I love this mascara. It's my favorite. My favorite. Alright. I think we've worked our way up to foundations. I have a different couple of ones. Like, this one is broken. Wow. This is very messy. Look at this. Look how messy it got. Oh, wow. This is the LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Foundation. Matter of fact, while we doing this, let's just do some foundation swatches so I can get rid of what really doesn't match me. First, we're going to put on some primer. Because as you can see, I have problem skin, so I normally try to go for a more coverage foundation. So we have our primer on. All right. Now, my first foundation is the LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition. I don't have much to say about this. This is in the color Natural. I don't really have much to say about this. I just got it because it was cheap and I haven't really ever used it. So let's just swatch and see. Okay, she's very yellow and kind of thick. Is that coverage is actually decent in my opinion. So I don't know what to think about this. She's decent. She's very decent. And the next one is the LA Colors Radiant foundation in medium tan. And by radiant, I mean sis is dewy. Like, sis is really dewy. She's gonna give you that shine. I did try to use her once and I actually really liked it. However, it's not like something I can just wear, especially in the summer when my skin is already oily. But let's just swatch her because she is in medium tan and I believe this one is natural. So let's just swatch her and see what medium tan looks like. Oh, that was a lot. Okay, Binks, get your ass back. I don't want to waste all of this, but I'm going to have to. Okay, let's swatch her. Here, we'll do this one back here. I feel like those are really close, actually. Even though this is medium tan, I feel like that's really close in color. Like, what do you guys think? I feel like that's really close in color. And as you can see, I don't know if it's just the thickness I put on, but it really does look like it's a decent coverage. And she was $3. $3. Next is my favorite foundation, the foundation that I am normally using if I use any foundation at all, and that is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Concealer in medium beige. She is $10, and I normally, if I have anything on, it's this. I'm not gonna lie, like, I love her. So let's just put her on and swatch her with them. She is in the shade medium beige, like I said. The crazy thing is, I think this one is so far the darkest, and this is next runner up, and this one is, first of all, really thick. But they all kind of look like they would have good coverage. This one is more, I feel like, closer to my skin tone, and these are like if I want tans. Okay. I have this, I don't really mess with her a lot. This is the Bear It All by Hard Candy. Like, it's so faded, I don't even know like what the shade would be, but we're just gonna swatch her up here. Okay, sis is white. She's light. She's really light, but she still glides on good. I see she got a little bit of somebody else on her who looks really tan. Like, look. She's really light. Like, I think she was probably in a lighter, I don't know. And now for the ultimate baby. The ultimate baby. I spent this money. My husband doesn't know how much I spent on this, but it was $30. This is the Too Faced Born This Way oil-free, undetectable, medium to full coverage foundation. She was $30. She was $30. This is in the shade Sand, and I feel like this is definitely the darkest shade here, period. Even though I did get my shading done, like I I got color fitted. Is that what you call it? I got color fitted. So I definitely know that she's about to be the darkest shade because I just feel like she was dark. At the time, she looked like she matched, but I feel like now she's just really dark. I don't really want to even waste her a lot, so we're just gonna put her on. Look at that. She's definitely, I don't know. Her and this one, now that this one is sitting, is kind of close. Like, sitting on my face, this one has darkened up, and this is the Radiant one in medium tan. She has darkened up. This one has gotten kind of more yellow. This one up here is just way too light. Like, I don't even know what I could do with that. My favorite, however, is kind of looking... She's looking a bit, I don't know, it's like, she's my favorite and all, but she's looking like, I feel like the others really have orange, or should I say yellow undertones, and then this one is more like a cool undertone. She's really looking like my, like, compared to next to all of these, she's looking like less my favorite. This one is looking like way too dark, and this one is looking like way too dark as well. I'm really feeling like none of these match. But look how thick this one is. And this one is just a couple dollars, like, okay. I don't know. But now you know, that is basically, I mean, I have a couple beauty blenders in here, but that's basically my makeup collection. That's basically my makeup collection. Thank you guys for watching this, and I don't know, if you have an opinion on what shade you feel like is my shade, definitely let me know down below, because they're all looking a bit dark. I feel like maybe this one is closer to my shade. I'm not really too sure. Like, I'm not really sure at all. But thank you so much for watching. I hope I didn't make a complete fool of myself, and I will see you guys in the next video.